Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to give a name to Chrome window. So guys, as we can see, here is one window in Chrome browser. If you want to give any name to this Chrome window, so move your cursor to this plus icon, then right click, and here you will see option name window. So click on it. Now give any name as your choice, then click on OK. So this window is named best. If you want to check this name, so click on task view. So as we can see, this Chrome window name is best. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by this basic and simple method we can know how to give a name to Chrome window. Thanks for watching this video.